Hey my honey bunches, welcome back to Bougie Bites with Honey. Today we are having Pappadeaux. I have not had Pappadeaux in a hot minute. So I have some catfish, I want to say tilapia, but I'll know once I taste it. Some fried shrimp, this jumbo stuffed shrimp, and I call it devil crab, but I think they call it stuffed crab, and some french fries. And I have some dipping sauces back here, but let's just get right into the video. Had to get a thumbnail. Guys, I'm so hungry. I hope you guys are having a great day. I don't know what day it is because I'm pre-recording for vacation. I've been to Pappadeaux recently, but I haven't had the fried platter is what I meant to say. Sorry if you guys hear kids outside playing. Okay. It's nice and hot and flaky. It's like really hot. Okay, you know something? So I found some seafood sauce in my pantry that's about to expire. So we're going to open it up. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it or tried it, but I want to try it. Sorry, I bought the King Crab ATL sauce back. And then I have an everything aioli that I buy from the Fresh Market. It just tastes like a regular condiment. I can't really describe it. So, y'all won't be able to see it, unfortunately. I promise I'm going to get a good setup. Let's try it on the shrimp first. If it's cocktail sauce, I'm going to cry. Okay, this is what it looked like. It's spicy too. Man, it's about to expire in a week. Craving Cajun seafood sauce. So if y'all see this in y'all market, buy it. I'm gonna put my ketchup in it. Man. All my life I've been missing out. And I bought it so long ago, and every time I open my pantry, I'm like, I don't want it. I'm gonna try that again. So I had Pappadeaux today because it's right, convenient. Can't talk, y'all. Convenient to my house. And kind of pressed for time. Y'all know it takes forever to chew. I don't hear the beeping noise anymore though. The smoke detector was beeping. And all of a sudden it just stopped. Feeling overwhelmed, y'all. Like anxiety. I have a birthday party to be at 7:30 and it's 6 o'clock. Did I bite this already? I can't remember. Let's see. All right. That's what it looks like. Y'all, this is very good and fresh. Tastes like the ocean. I remember back in the day when I moved to Atlanta, if somebody took you to Pappadeaux, you were popping. They were popping. With Pappadeaux, if you don't have one, it's a coin, okay? It's a whole coin. Oh, it's so fresh. I want to say I had my wedding shower or bridal shower. I mean, what do you call it? Baby shower, I think. I think I had a baby shower there. So they just built one in my area this year. She grubs with love. If you are watching this video, I'm thinking of you with every bite. She just posted how she was craving it. But she lives far. Okay. Oyster. Y'all know I love oyster. But I do not like fried oysters. I'm not a fan. But I'm going to try it with this king crab butter. Just a little bit. See how it tastes with fried food. Just like I remembered. I'm trying to pinch off of it because I promised y'all a baked potato. Man, that was good. Okay, let's try it with the other sauce. So, I used to get this same platter back in the day, but I used to get the deluxe version of this, where you get like 2 times more of everything. But you can tell the recipe has changed over the years. Let's try it with this. Because those should be dark skinned. So they're using a different type of batter. So I hope it's still good. Y'all see that? Let me put a little on there. There we go. It takes a while to hit for the fried food, but it's so good. I hope y'all enjoyed that king crab ATL video because y'all gonna see a lot of it. I'm telling you now. If you didn't order the butter sauce and the seasoning, I really, really suggest you do. They gave me some free sweet tea while I was waiting. Might as well call it water, but it was very nice of them. Yeah, it's water. I get bothered in the South when they don't do sweet tea right. Like, just keep pouring. Some more of this on here. I'm gonna have to find something else to cook before that expires because that's bomb. Tastes like a spicy barbecue and something. Excuse me, sauce. So yeah, I have to go to a birthday party at 7:30, and it's a dinner party. So I don't know how I'm gonna eat all over again. I'll probably order an appetizer or a dessert, and it sucks because the food looks bomb. Okay, somebody want me to try this. It looks good. Should I drizzle a little bit on the corner of it? Just the corner. I wish it was dark skin, man. See, I eat with my eyes, you know what I mean? It's heavy too. So this is a stuffed shrimp. You can't really see anything, but it's stuffed with crab, blue crab. And bell peppers. See, I grew up eating these, but not with the shrimp. My God. What I want to dip it in. This is amazing. I'm so happy. Y'all know I love food. Speaking of birthday parties. So y'all know I find the craziest articles on my phone. Y'all know it's good when you just stare at it. Find y'all a Pappadeaux. So, wait, let me take a sip. That tea is ruining my meal. I promise you it is. So, they were talking about online how this one lady sent an invite for her kid's birthday party. And she's charging the parents $84 per kid to attend the party. How do y'all feel about that? So it's a go-karting place. You know, they just drive around in circles for a little while. And she's charging $83 or $84, something like that. Hold on, y'all. That tea is not working. I ran out to my garage and got a Waterloo. Tastes like a strawberry Fanta. What was I talking about? Let's try this piece of fish. Yeah, this is tilapia. I know how some people feel about tilapia, but I don't mind it. I don't front like I didn't grow up on it, because I did. We ate it at least once or twice. We ate it once, at least once in a 2-week period, I would say. My mom fried it all the time. Anyway. Honestly, it's not worth chewing. Something is off about the breading. Yeah, that's a no. God, it's making me feel sick. Okay, I'm trying to think about it so I can keep eating. So in addition to paying for the carting, she wanted them to bring picnic basket filled with food and drinks, but be sure to bring enough for the birthday boy so that he doesn't have to bring anything, was her request. I think she lost her mind. And the birthday gifts can only be a gift card from Amazon, I believe. I think they were doing the most. So of course the parents were going off. Because I'm like, what are you trying to do? Profit? Like, it's 30 children, $83 a piece. Sounds like you're trying to profit. They're bringing the food. They're bringing the drinks. It would be a no if it were my kid. Excuse me. Actually, that's why I thought about that, because the party that we're invited to next month, another lady told me today that we have to pay $30 a piece for the child to attend. But the mom didn't tell me that when she invited me, so I don't know. I'll wait till I see the invite first. Because you still have to buy a gift. Okay, this crab cake is good. See? They just basically stuffed a blue crab. I'm going to try to keep eating, guys, but honestly, that fish made me feel a little queasy. I'm trying not to say that because this is an eating show. Somebody could be eating, but something is off. Let's put some of this on it. So Pappadeaux, I'm not gonna say they fell off because they're definitely still popping, but the fried platter has fallen off. It's good, but it's not wowing me like back in the day. Maybe I didn't know any better. Maybe I thought, oh, it's cost so much money, it's fancy, it's gotta be good. It doesn't look the same. Catfish was bomb, and I'm not a catfish lover. That was bomb. Stuffed shrimp was bomb. This is good. Tilapia is a no. Yeah, I'm feeling weird. I'm going to sign off, guys. I do apologize, but I'll be back on the next video with something yummy to make up for it. The girl feeling kind of queasy right now. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.